Good afternoon. Goedemiddag. I don't know, can you guys see the ADA flag up there? It's right next to my ear. Anyways, yeah, it's quite foggy this morning. It's currently, can we do this? 12:36. I would have left a little earlier. Usually what, now you can't focus? Hello. There we go. Camera's being weird this morning. But yeah, the fog is encapsulating the top of that building. Until about 20 minutes ago, I wasn't really even able to see the stair-step buildings across the skate park. And as of about like 8 to 10, I couldn't actively see them. I desperately wanted to come here and ride the ferry at like 9 o'clock this morning because I couldn't have seen any of these islands here. I couldn't have seen any of that. It was so thick. But there's no wind today. I may take a longer ride back, but I didn't post anything yesterday because Aaron and I, despite what the video showed, we were a bit overwhelmed by Saturday. So it was sit down, eat calm food, not overdo anything, don't listen to any music, just sort of sit in silence, do stupid stuff on WoW and whatnot. But yeah, the ferry's a little wet, but I don't know what Antio is doing. It's coming in very slow, probably because it can't dock at because there's a boat there. Well, yeah. For those of you who may research, yes, I'm very aware of what that parade is technically for. It was a political parade. For those that don't know, it's called ADEV. It's Amsterdam Danst Ergens voor. And it basically, it's in like the singular principle, it makes sense, but like it's fighting against landlords, but it's more or less not like rent stuff. It's the fact that there's no places to squat anymore. Everything is being taken up by by companies, and even if it's left abandoned, it's being monitored as an abandoned building. And there's like, and the only places, I don't know, it's weird, but the general idea that it's being, I love how close this boat is getting. And it's just so smooth. But anyways, yeah. You can probably go to a website, or you can look up the thing on Google, on Wikipedia, ADEV. But yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm still alive. We're still doing things. We realized yesterday that we don't have a hotel in Munich. But it'd be nice to get because like Aaron booked everything for the States, and we booked our trains, and a kind of a fair bit of money went out. So the hotel can, plus September was like almost a $400 month for me. So coming up here, that's 400 coming in today, I think. It's the 21st. And then the 800-900 that's coming in from the government. So we'll have a fair bit, but a lot of money has gone out recently. Because the boat has thoroughly moved in out from in front of them. Am I the only person on this motherfucking ferry? Oh look, I swear. Yeah, the boat is still like right there. It's, oh God. We have to get that guy out of the way. Oh, we are moving. Before that crosses our pathway. Eee. Oh shit. Oh shit. New behind? Is that what that says? Fundament? New behind. And then, sorry, and then these two boats. There's a police boat over there, but we're still moving very slowly. My Adidas app has picked me up. We're waiting for the Emerald Dawn to pass in front of us. That's what you get when you're trying to cross a ferry on one of the busier shipping canals in at least the Netherlands. Oh my God, there's so many people like eating lunch. Sorry, I flipped it around the other way. I don't know if you guys can see all the people in there. They're all eating lunch. And there's their staterooms. And there's someone in the back lounge. I'm for it. Some days it's boring crossing. Other days, it's this.